Hi, it's me, Camila. For 800 subscribers, I wanted to celebrate by playing a game I have never played before. The game is called Animal Hospital and it is very popular on Roblox. Let's see if anyone wants to get into my group too. It sadly looks like they only want to be by themselves. I guess it's just me and the viewers. Work at a hospital? Okay. Waiting for players? What players? I'm the only one in this server. Whoa, this place looks clean but dirty at the same time. I'll be a good worker. I'm better than my dad, cameraman. Okay, first patient. I got this.
I have an appointment.
Stamp forms. Should I do it? Sure, I'm a good worker like I said. Let's take the photo too.
I will be in room 1.
I'll follow you. Oh my gosh, you walk so slow. Please hurry up. Okay, now let's fix you up. Oh, what did I do? I'm kinda scared. Let me just look back. You, herbs, are we eating medicine made of plants now? Herbs, where are you? Oh hey, I need to save you too.
What's taking so long?
Shush! I'm only one person, not to become multiple Camilas like a magician.
I will be in room 2.
Oh, there's the herbs. Now get out. Oh, I don't trust you. You slammed the door in my face? Yeah, you're banned. Get out right now! Okay, she said room what? Okay, found you. Sorry, I need to use your head for a stand. No, nothing right now. Okay, eye drops coming right up. To be honest, this game is so boring, and I'm about to quit. The doctor? Dude, if I knew there was a doctor, I would have been quit this job right on the spot. How come you have a free break every day? Do your job.
You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow.
Yeah, what else?
Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working.
Is the scary part finally gonna happen?
I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you.
What cameras? A GUN? That's not acceptable for this channel. Editor, blur that out. Thank you. I know I was excellent. Clock it. Your eyes.
Hey,
Oh nah. Get out of my
I
hospital.
want to check in as a patient.
Use shutters to reject people? Yes, I need that.
What? No service?
Bye. You ain't gonna fool the princess. Next, hurry up. This is getting much more boring. Please don't breathe so hard. It's already hot in here. Move from my window.
I'm Martin Blue.
Excuse me? Don't you see a hot
I want to
breast
check in as a patient.
Interrupt me one more time, and you know what? I'll check you off. Then leave me alone so I can get this weirdo off of my glass. Almost done.
I'll be in room 2.
No! Don't tell me you're blocking my shutters.
Sup, I'm Rensong.
Why are you twitching?
I'm here for my appointment.
Not sure if I could trust you, buddy. I have no. What was that photo? Close now. Get away from my window, you pink bubblegum freak. Ooh, coffee. My dad cameraman doesn't like me drinking it. But who is he to tell me? You, it tastes bitter. Let me close the shutters. The window, it just broke. Close right now.
Unbelievable. I came all this way.
Well, you can go all back that away. I need to open back my shutters.
Hey. I have an appointment.
And my glass is still broken, but yet intact.
I got room 1.
It's time to help these patients now. Oh, hold on, someone is coming. Oh, the lights are acting up. Let me go inside and close the door.
Hey! I have an appointment.
Can y'all say other things other than that sentence?
Thanks. I'll be in room 4.
Now come on. I'll have to fix you weird creatures up. What the freak is that? Oh my gosh, let me go right now. Let me go. What was that about? Now I'm really scared. I don't want to help people anymore. But I can't stop now. I'm not easily scared. Let's make sure there isn't any more monsters anywhere. Okay, y'all. I'm back doing some work. Come on, doctor. What do you want from me now?
I'm opening a few facilities for you now.
What is that?
The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift.
Oh, supplies. Wait, what do I need supplies for? Cutscene. Music too? Oh wait, never mind. That music is giving uncanny. Sadly, I have to drink this bitter coffee once again. I am the best once again, but I am clearly by myself, so I wouldn't be the best sadly.
I'm here for my appointment.
Shush! Don't think I didn't see your face.
Unbelievable. I came all this way.
Too bad. Go back down 6 feet under. Was that too harsh? I'm not sure. Well, I had a fun time playing. I'm getting a bit scared.